Well friends, here is another problem. The given problem is, if company is coded as XLNKZMV, then handset can be written as, given options are SZMUGVH, SZMWHVG, SZNXHUG, and SZMVWHG. Well friends, to solve this, first let me write the given question, that is company is coded as XLNKZMB. Okay. Now what I'll do, I will write the positions of these letters. Okay. Now what is the position of letter C? It is 3. The position of O, it is 15. Position of M, 13. Position of P, yes, it is 16. Position of A, 1. The position of N, 14. And what is the position of Y? Yes, it is 25. Now what are the positions of these letters? Let me write. What is the position of letter X? Yes, it is 24. Now position of L is what? It is 12. Position of N is 14. Position of K is what? It is 11. Position of Z is what? It is 26. What is position of M? Yes, it is 13. And what is the position of B? It is 2. Okay. Friends, if we add 3 and 24, what are we going to get? 27. If we add 15 plus 12, what are we going to get? Again 27. 13 plus 14, what is the answer? 27. 16 plus 11, what is the answer? Again 27. Now 1 plus 26, what is the answer? 27. 14 plus 13, what is the answer? Again 27. 25 plus 2, what is the answer? 27. That means when I add these letters, I am going to get it as 27. Now, I will use the same method to code handset. Okay, first let me write handset. Handset. Okay, now after this, I have to write the positions of these letters. Okay. Now, what is the position of letter H? Yes, it is 8. Now, what is the position of letter A? It is 1. The position of N is 14. Position of T is what? Yes, it is 4. Position of S, it is 19. Position of E, 5. What is the position of T? It is 20. So what is the answer I should get? When I add, I should get it as 27. Nothing but what? 27 minus 8. What is the answer? Yes, it is what? 19. Or 8 plus 19 is what? 27. Now which is that letter which is having position 19? S, of course, it is what? Yes. Okay. Is it there in the option? Okay, check it. S, 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 S. It is there in the option. Okay. Friends, if you observe, the fourth letter in these 4 options are different. Okay. That is U, W, X and V. So if I get fourth letter correctly, that option I will consider that as a right answer. So for that, directly let me calculate the fourth letter here. Now 27 minus 4. What is 27 minus 4? Yes, it is 23. Okay. Now which is the letter which is having position 23? Yes, it is what? W. Okay. Now check it out. So the second option is having W as the fourth letter. Therefore, I will consider the second option as the right option. Well friends, in this problem I have not solved completely because even a part of the answer can give me the correct option. By doing this, we can save the time. The same time can be utilized to solve the other problems. Well friends, we will see some more problems.